Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. It's easy to set up and I'm going to show you step by step. I'm also going to show you the main features of this clock and how they work. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you'll need to set up this clock is a Google account. If you use Gmail for email or already have a Google account, you're good to go. The next step, you'll need your mobile phone or tablet. Go to the App Store and you need to download an app called Google Home. Once you've downloaded and installed this app, you'll need to sign in the app with your Google credentials. If you haven't done this already, you will need to add a new home. It's easy to do, just follow the prompts in the app. Add the new device in Google Home. The Google Home will then scan for nearby devices. To make your Lenovo Smart Clock Essential discoverable, you need to press and hold both the alarm button and the volume button together for at least 3 seconds. Just make sure that you do connect the clock to the same Wi-Fi connection that your mobile phone or tablet is connected to. After you've first connected the clock, you may need to install an update. It's highly recommended that you proceed with this because it could be fixing security issues or bugs with the software, so make sure you do proceed with the update. And that's pretty much it. Once you've followed those steps, your clock should be up and running. You don't need to set the time on this clock. That should automatically be set for you now that your clock is connected to the internet. Now let me quickly run you through some of the features that you're going to get with this clock. So this clock face that you can see right now, there's not very many ways to customize this. You can change this from 12-hour format to 24-hour in the app, depending on your preference. But you can't change this clock face to a different style. If you want a clock where you can fully customize the face, this is not the clock that you're looking for. Up the top here, you will see the day of the week displayed. And for the weather, there are 2 different indicators. The temperature is shown here. For this temperature indicator, I should let you know that there's not a thermometer inside of this clock. This is just the temperature in your local area, according to the internet. Also, for the weather, this clock will show you a symbol depending on what the weather is like in your area. There's a few different weather icons to keep an eye out for. You've got the sun, the wind, rain, fog, cloudy, you've got snow or thunderstorms, and this icon here indicates bad weather. The next feature I'll show you is the clock speaker itself. You can use voice commands to control this speaker. You can talk to the speaker anywhere from up to 5 meters away, and it should pick up your voice and respond. You can't use this voice feature to make phone calls, but you can ask the Google Assistant to do things for you, like solve a maths problem. What is 1,000 divided by 600?
The answer is approximately 1.666667.
You can also use voice commands to play or pause music or to set an alarm. You can also set an alarm manually using the buttons at the top of the clock, but it's much easier to set with your voice. You can turn the volume of this speaker up or down using either the buttons here at the top of the clock, or you can use voice controls. Around the back of the clock there is a USB port. This port is for power only. It doesn't transfer any data. Basically, if you want to plug in a cable, you could charge your phone or something like that from this port. It is worth noting that if you use this USB port at the back to charge your phone, it's not going to be as fast as just using a wall outlet. Another feature that you should know about is the night light at the back of the clock. You can turn on and off this light by pressing and holding this button here. Alternatively, you can control the night light using your voice. That's pretty much a nice overview of what you get with the Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. If you want more information, I'll pop a video on the screen right now. This is a much more detailed review. Click on that one now and you'll get more facts and information about this clock. If you found this video helpful, let me know by giving the video a big thumbs up and clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.